Welcome to our Grade 10 Agricultural Sciences lesson. Today we begin exploring the exciting world of agriculture and discover how it provides food, creates jobs, supports the economy, and protects our natural resources. By the end of this lesson, you will understand why agriculture is one of the most important industries in South Africa. Let's start. Agriculture is the science and practice of producing food, fiber, and other useful products from plants and animals. It combines knowledge, skills, technology, and natural resources to meet the needs of people every day. In South Africa, agriculture plays a vital role in supporting communities, creating employment, and supplying food to both local and international markets. Every loaf of bread, glass of milk, piece of fruit, and plate of vegetables begins with the work of farmers. Animal production is one of the two main branches of agriculture. Farmers raise different types of livestock such as cattle, sheep, goats, chickens, and dairy cows. These animals provide meat, milk, eggs, wool, leather, and many other valuable products. Healthy livestock require good nutrition, clean water, proper housing, disease control, and careful management. Farmers work throughout the year to ensure that their animals remain healthy and productive. The second main branch is crop production. Crops include maize, vegetables, fruits, wheat, and many other plants grown for food and income. Successful crop production depends on fertile soil, quality seeds, sufficient water, sunlight, and proper farming practices. Farmers use tractors and other machinery to prepare the land, plant seeds, and harvest crops efficiently. Each crop has its own growing season and environmental requirements. Agriculture depends heavily on natural resources. Clean rivers provide water for irrigation. Forests help protect biodiversity, and healthy soils support plant growth. Soil conservation practices reduce erosion and keep the land productive for future generations. Irrigation systems supply water during dry periods, helping crops continue growing even when rainfall is limited. Farmers must use these natural resources wisely to ensure sustainable production. Once crops and livestock products are ready, they move through the agricultural value chain. Farmers sell their produce to local markets, supermarkets, food processing companies, and other businesses. Consumers then purchase these products to feed their families. This process creates employment for transport workers, shop owners, processors, and many others. Agriculture therefore contributes significantly to the South African economy. Modern agriculture uses advanced technology to improve efficiency and productivity. Tractors and combine harvesters reduce the time needed to prepare land and harvest crops. Drones help farmers monitor crop health, identify pest problems, and manage large fields more effectively. Modern irrigation equipment ensures that water is used efficiently, reducing waste while increasing crop production. Scientific research is another important part of agriculture. Agricultural laboratories allow scientists and learners to study plants, animals, soils, and diseases. Microscopes help researchers observe tiny organisms that affect crops and livestock. Through experiments, scientists develop improved crop varieties, better animal feeds, and effective methods of controlling pests and diseases. Science continues to improve farming every year. Agriculture directly supports healthy living. The food produced on farms provides essential nutrients needed for growth, energy, and good health. Fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, eggs, and grains form part of a balanced diet. Without successful agriculture, communities would struggle to access nutritious food. Every farmer therefore plays an important role in improving food security. Sustainable farming protects the environment while producing enough food for future generations. Organic farming reduces the use of synthetic chemicals. Crop rotation improves soil fertility and helps control pests naturally. Composting returns nutrients to the soil by recycling plant and animal waste. These practices help farmers maintain productive land while protecting ecosystems. Crop production and animal production often work together on the same farm. Crop residues can be used as animal feed, while animal manure enriches the soil with nutrients. Irrigation workers ensure crops receive enough water, and farm workers care for both crops and livestock throughout the production cycle. This integration increases efficiency and reduces waste. Every farming enterprise requires important inputs before production can begin. Farmers purchase quality seeds, fertilizers, animal feed, machinery, fuel, and equipment. These resources help improve productivity and ensure successful harvests. Good planning allows farmers to use their resources effectively while controlling production costs. Successful farming is also a business. Farmers manage workers, operate machinery, keep financial records, and plan future production. They calculate costs, estimate profits, and make decisions based on weather conditions, market demand, and available resources. Good financial planning helps farming businesses remain profitable and sustainable over many years. Weather and climate have a major influence on agriculture. Rainfall provides water for crops and livestock. Sunshine supplies the energy needed for photosynthesis, allowing plants to grow. Wind can assist pollination, but may also damage crops if it becomes too strong. Changing seasons determine planting and harvesting times. Farmers constantly monitor weather conditions to make informed decisions. Healthy soil is the foundation of successful agriculture. Soil provides support, water, air, and nutrients for plant roots. Conservation practices such as contour plowing, mulching, and cover cropping protect soil from erosion and maintain its fertility. Caring for the soil ensures that future generations will continue producing enough food. Water is one of agriculture's most valuable resources. Livestock require clean drinking water every day, while crops depend on irrigation during dry periods. Dams store water for future use, and irrigation canals distribute water to farms. Responsible water management helps farmers cope with droughts and maintain food production throughout the year. Agriculture also supports trade and economic development. Many South African agricultural products are exported to countries around the world. Food factories process raw farm products into items ready for consumers. Trucks transport produce from farms to factories, markets, supermarkets, and export ports. This creates employment and contributes to national economic growth. Agricultural sciences helps learners understand the relationship between farming, science, technology, business, and the environment. The knowledge gained in this subject prepares learners for future careers in agriculture, veterinary science, environmental management, food production, research, and agribusiness. As we continue through this course, you will build the skills needed to understand modern agriculture and appreciate its importance in everyday life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like for more agricultural sciences lessons.